Hello, good evening. My name is Terrence Giles, coming to you here live from Little Rock. Hashtag replay. Let me know where you're tuning in from, just in case you catch this video after I post it, and so that I can send you a shout out and tell you thank you for tuning in. I wanted to come online to tell you about this amazing program. But before I do, I pray that all is well, your direction, and that all is well with your family, and that you have a blessed and prosperous day, and know that everything is going to work out in your favor. I wanted to get online and tell you about this amazing platform that I'm a part of that's been in effect a little over 2 months. This platform has paid out $30,000 in commissions on last week. And I had to get in here and share that information with you, because this is a platform where you can earn and learn, because the platform is task-based, which means you complete tasks. And when you complete the task by following the instructions that are set out for you, once you become a member, you can earn while you are learning. And I think that is so amazing. But I'm going to tell you what's amazing about the program is that there is no recruiting required. No recruiting required, which means you don't have to call anyone, text anyone on your phone, spam your link to anyone or their inbox, and you do not have to beg family and friends. That's amazing. That is so amazing, because many times there are opportunities online, and I'm sure many of you, like myself, have looked at different opportunities, but there is so much recruiting required before you can even start earning. That's not the case with this program. No recruiting. No, you don't have to go and find 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 people to join you just before you start earning. No team building. Again, task-based platform that the creator has laid out in the step-by-step training that is so easy that middle schoolers and high schoolers could pick this up and run with it. And I wanted to share that with you, because many times we look at different opportunities online. You don't know which one to join. What is in this one? Is this one a scam? I'm here to tell you, this is the real deal. As I said in the beginning of the video, $30,000 paid out in commissions this past week. That's the second week that this has happened with this platform. Why? Because the creator created a platform that is a winning platform. Someone that strategized this and knew what it would take for many like myself, online marketers and affiliate market, to start winning. This is a winning team. And you can also request to be added to the free Facebook group so that you can see the results for yourself, see the different testimonials, and you can see the different posts of earnings. But again, it's task-based platform. And the task, 90% of the work is already done for you in the background, 10% your part. Again, 90%, guys, is done for you in the background, 10% your part. And I know if I can do 10%, you can do your 10% as well. It doesn't get any better than that. 90% of the work is done for you. You get a free website, a free affiliate link, a free banner. It doesn't get any better than that. Again, we have a free Facebook group. You can come and review the information for yourself. Just come check it out. See if it's a good fit for you. And if it's not, I pray that whatever you decide to do, you win. Because I want you to prosper. That's my heart toward anyone. Because I know that every opportunity is not for everyone. But I'm here to tell you, when you read this information, this is a winner. A little over 2 months. This platform is a winner. This is a team environment, a supportive team. Must be coachable, teachable, willing to follow instructions. And if you are willing to do your part, I guarantee you, you will win, just like myself and many others are winning on this platform. 600 people. 600. A little over 2 months. I just want you to just request to be added to the Facebook group. I want you to see this information. I want you to see. That's why I'm smiling. Because I know there's nothing but power within that group. Numbers. And we move. When you move in numbers as one, there's power in numbers. But again, my name is Terrence Giles. #replay. Let me know where you're tuning in from. And if you would like more info, just send me an inbox. Request to be added to the Facebook group. You can click on my profile. You will see my banner where it says click on the link above. And it's going to be a bit.ly link, bit.ly. Click that link and request to be added to the Facebook group. And you will see the information and everything you need to know on what it takes to get started. Or feel free to drop me a comment down in the comment section. I'll be more than glad to answer your questions. And if you decide to join, I'll be more than glad to walk you through, be there for you, and that's the promise. But again, my name is Terrence Giles, #replay. Let me know where you're tuning in from so that I can send you a shout out. And until the next video, I look forward to seeing you, and have a good one.